So a new way to do scripting, which I've put together, is optional for yourself. You don't have to do it. I've created a graphical menu using an extra command called Dialog. You'll find that the Dialog command is not installed on the operating system I've given you, but you can do it yourself with sudo apt install Dialog at home. This is the example of it running. So it's a similar menu to the previous one, it just looks rather pretty. You can use the arrow keys, of course, to scroll up and down, or you can press the number keys. So I'll start with the first option that says help me, and when I hit help me, it does what it does. In this case it was a simple message telling everyone to say there is no help. Showing the date and time, I'll select that, and as you can see it's used the date command again, and it's all inside this lovely area here, this little box. List files, again it's within a little box, different size box, fair enough. And further down, of course, you get the quit option. Before you quit, you can also come down here if you're using the mouse, or you can do the tab key that switches back and forth between these two. Not too difficult. So if you want to just cancel the menu, for example, it tells it's an invalid option, so I guess that doesn't work. But down here, if you select quit and hit enter, it does quit. Bye then.